horizontal video is a thing of the past. The future is YouTube Shorts, and everyone wants at least a piece of the pie. YouTube is now leading the internet with its paid program for Shorts. Will you miss it? Hello, how are you? Welcome to Cash Craze channel. Here you will find the best ways to start monetizing the internet without having to invest a lot of money. Want to know how to monetize YouTube Shorts? Of course you do. So, if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. In case you haven't heard, YouTube announced on February 1st that it has changed its policy for monetizing YouTube short content creators. Is this good or bad? Neither. It's just great. This has made it easier for content creators to access monetization for their videos, and not only that, it's also ensured that there will be a change in format by 2023, announcing that they can also claim earnings per play. Will you be left out of these new updates? Before we look at how to make money with YouTube Shorts, let's take a look at what this business is all about and how it works. The vertical video format is currently so powerful that, according to YouTube, the platform accumulates more than 30 million daily reproductions, which is unimaginable if we consider that it had a weak start when it was first implemented. We are undoubtedly at the beginning of a new era. There are already more than 1.5 billion users who consume YouTube Shorts every month. Therefore, creating this type of content is a good strategy to generate income from home in a safe and stable way. Specifically, on February 1st, YouTube announced that starting in 2023, short video creators will be able to join the partner program and start monetizing their short content. In this way, the Google subsidiary wants to reward creativity on its platform and, let's say, also encourage the use of this format. Shorts creators will get 45% of the advertising revenue since, with the new update of this platform, it will now be possible to have ads in these short videos. Previously, the YouTube Partner Program required creators to have more than 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of viewing in the last year to use it and have access to monetization. However, short-form creators can now join the program if they have at least 10 million views on their YouTube channel in the last 90 days. Traditional video creators get 55% of their ad revenue from these videos, but the figure for short video creators is slightly lower but still quite significant. The figure is 45%. Moreover, this amount is higher than what is offered on other platforms. YouTube Shorts will definitely become one of the most profitable ways to generate income from home, and without needing too much, starting now ensures that you have a good position within the platform and can start generating money faster through it. Knowing all this, will you be left out of the new wave and not get your share? I imagine you're asking yourself at this point, how do I start? What do I need to do to start generating? Simple. If you meet the requirements that YouTube requires, you already have access to the partners in monetization. Now you just have to create short content or make a compilation of the best clips, either from your channel or not necessarily. You can also search Google for content without copyright and start using keywords related to the content you want to upload. This way, you'll position yourself faster within the platform and you'll begin to receive many plays on your videos. The title is not everything. In fact, with short videos, the title is the least important thing, because since it's in vertical format, the user doesn't pay attention to the title, and what they do pay attention to is the main image. So these short videos should be eye-catching, so placing information within the image would be ideal to capture the user's attention, but nothing too extensive, just enough to keep the focus of attention. And it's very important to use bright colors, either with effects or images, as this will help keep the user's attention. Within the YouTube platform, the option to upload shorts is quite easy to create. Plus, YouTube has several tools that you can use to customize your videos, and also has a fairly extensive library of music that is completely free so that you can add it to your videos. YouTube Shorts have a very interesting feature, and this tool has a function for quick creation of videos, all very simple and fast, without affecting the quality of the content. In addition to this function of creating videos, it has a step-by-step method so that the content creator can easily upload them and customize them to his style, just like TikTok or the same Instagram Reels. In fact, YouTube Shorts was developed as a direct response to these other applications, which is why it's advanced so quickly in its format updates to make it the most popular among them. In addition to how easy it is to create videos in YouTube Shorts, it now has a super like button that allows YouTube to keep statistics on your content and you to interact with users who watch your content and know what type of content they most enjoy watching on your channel. You don't have to be an expert to monetize with YouTube Shorts. You just have to let your ideas flow and be creative in how you turn them into a short video. Doing some quick research on what videos are getting the most views on the platform will give you an idea of the type of market you want to reach and how to get there. Plus, there are now a lot of programs and apps that are totally free and specific to what you need. The shorts are the perfect way to make yourself known and arouse the interest of the public. So here, I'll give you some recommendations for connecting with the users of the platform. The first 15 seconds are vital, and if you don't manage to catch the public's attention, your views will be much lower than you expected. Also, remember that you have little time, so get to the point, be direct with what you want to announce, and do not forget that you have to create content that is of interest to your potential audience. There's no specific way to get millions of views, but these tips will be a great help. Remember that your reach depends on the users who play your videos and therefore decide what is good and what is not of your content. That's why if you know the market, do a little research, and tailor your content for them, it will be a sure thing to get millions of fast plays. After that, you just have to be patient and consistent with your content on YouTube Shorts, and of course, get your earnings. Do you think it's time to start with this format? The world is moving through the internet, and in this digital age where something new comes out every time, it makes us move with it. Increase your views, boost your channel, and start earning big bucks today with this amazing YouTube Shorts format. Take advantage of the fact that YouTube has become the platform that has created the most opportunities for people around the world. With YouTube Shorts, you're now able to easily create and share video content on YouTube, which will allow you to reach new audiences and increase your following. By creating content easily and without quality problems, it's becoming easier to connect and be part of this digital world. And, without a doubt, it's also easier to understand it thanks to these platforms that are responsible for showing it to us. YouTube Shorts is a very useful tool, and now we know that if used well, we can access many opportunities. Now that you know how to monetize YouTube Shorts, it's time to get to work and get the best results and increase your audience. Do you like this video? Then hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos.